Here's where you can find the button and gesture shortcuts, and this is going to work only if you have the navigation system mode with the navigation buttons. This is a Xiaomi phone with Hyper OS 2. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you're new to Xiaomi phones, go ahead and use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle right there. Once you do this here, and from this section here on, go down and look for the home screen. As you're in the home screen area here, you'll go down until you see system navigation. Once you're here now in this section here, you can find the button shortcuts right here, but you want to make sure you're using the buttons option. If you're a fan of the gestures, then you won't have access to these here. So just to try it out, make sure you're under the buttons and then go to button shortcuts. Now, once you're here now, you have different options for each function. So for example, the first one is long press the home button. And when you long press the home button, you can either get the voice assistant, which would be the default, or a few other options here as well. So let's just say, for example, the long press of the back button here. This one doesn't have a function. So maybe I want to do a partial screenshot with that. So I'll switch it over to this here now. And I'm going to long press that back button, which is this one here. And that's gonna do that partial screenshot for me here, enabling it for me like that here. And I'll just go ahead and save that, all right? And that's what these button shortcuts will do. And they will always be active. And if you wanna disable every single one of them, just make sure they're all set to none so that you won't have any button shortcuts enabled for the home buttons, all right? The menu one will always be there because it's always part of the recents. That's always going to be there. So that's that. Like and sub.